Science 110 for summer 2022. And this is on July 5th. So now the second half goes from July 5 to the 29th. All right, now exam 2 closes today, July 5th. Exam 3 and 4 will open. Again, I will be dropping lowest exam score. All right, there are also labs. Don't forget the lab quizzes. All right. Video quizzes. And let me know if any of the links don't work. Sometimes in the videos, the links change. They drop the video. There's a copyright issue. So in that case, I usually drop it, substitute something else, or find a link for it. And then we got the web quizzes. All right, I will be updating those. And again, I grade those all manually, and most of you have been doing extremely well on those. All right, I'm not looking for a lot in each answer, but to basically answer the question. All right, so those are the parts. Check the syllabus as far as what's going on. Also, keep in mind discussions. All right. There are a total of 12. There are still 8 topics open, and we'll be closing on a regular basis, like every few days, coming up. Discussions will close on July 20th. And again, you need, for a minimum, you need 8 postings. And or replies to somebody else's post. And that's okay as far as that's concerned. So there's still 8 topics still open. You need a total of 8. Beyond that, you get extra credit as far as that is concerned. Up to a maximum of 14 total postings. So you can do pretty well there. So again, look on discussions. As far as that's concerned, I'll be updating that. Most of you have been doing very well, but there's some of you haven't done much yet, so you have time to do that. All right? As far as that is concerned, keep in mind closing dates for assignments, and I'll be updating tomorrow grades and quizzes through exam 2. So we have 2 more exams remaining, and along with the final exam. Again, the final exam, which you get 1 attempt, goes from July 26th to the 29th, and then I will update grades after that. All right, so that is, again, the last part of Physical Science 1110 for summer 2022. So let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, hope you had a good 4th, and be careful out there. Okay.